These are the elevators at a dormitory at USF in Tampa, Florida. This is a test of my Samsung Galaxy S21's 4K 60 frames per second capabilities. They're Kone elevators. Let's go 5. Elevator A1. Here we are at 5. Let's go 1. Here's your cab view. Pretty basic cab. The elevator is bouncing. No, it isn't. Here's your inspection certificate. Let's send this one up. And let's try ride that one. The machine room is over here, I believe. Yeah, here it is. Elevator equipment. And here it is. Let's go 5. Elevator A2 now. Let's go 1. Again, same cab as the other elevator. Here's your inspection certificate. Alright, there it goes. And that'll be it.